Hey guys, my name is Aida. Welcome to my channel Easy Russian. This is a channel for those who love Russian language, Russian culture, history, for those who learn Russian language and who want to speak Russian. A lot of very interesting and useful information you can find on my website, in my Instagram and Facebook. And today we're talking about two groups of Russian verbs. If you want to know more about this, please keep watching this video. Present tense of Russian verbs corresponds to the English present simple, present progressive, or maybe present perfect. In the present tense, Russian verbs conjugate, change by person and by number. Each person has its own ending.
The main role of a verb is a predicate. The subject noun or pronoun names what we are talking about. The predicate of the verb describes what we are talking about it. For example, мальчик читает. Мальчик, он, he, masculine gender. That's why you need to put this verb to the form читает. Мама и папа слушают. Мама и папа. Они, they. That's why you need to put this verb to the form слушают. The form of the verb predicate depends on the subject noun or personal pronoun, which is in the nominative case. There are two types of personal verb endings, in accordance with which verbs fall into verbs of the first group and verbs of the second group. Forms of the verbs are created from the infinitive stem using different endings. And now let's talk about first group of Russian verbs. The verbs of the first group have endings at, yat, or yet. To form personal forms of the verb, you need to cut ending t and then put personal endings instead. For example, the verb читать. Here you see at in the end. That's why you need to cut t. Я читаю, ты читаешь, он, она, оно читает, мы читаем, вы читаете, они читают. Okay, and now let's talk about second group of Russian verbs. The verbs of the second group have ending it. To form personal forms of the verb, you need to cut ending it and then put personal endings instead. For example, the verb говорить. Here you see ending it. That's why you need to cut this ending. Я говорю, ты говоришь, он, она, оно говорит, мы говорим, вы говорите, они говорят. So here you can see that the verbs of the first group and the verbs of the second group have different endings. And now let's practice. Here you see exercise number 1. Please conjugate these verbs. Please stop the video and do this exercise. Okay, and now check yourself. Well done!
That's all for today, guys. Thank you for your attention. If this information was useful for you, please press like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys. Пока-пока.